Fucking J-Rod asshole.
That was nice.
Fuck you.
I'm going down on the tarmac, bitches.
Ow!
This side up.
Yeah, go smooth side down, man.
Hey, stand on that.
That thing is the fucking you can't.
Well, feel it, dude. That some bitch is like,
Ride it, dude. Surf that bitch.
you don't want to stand on it.
I'm not gonna push it on that.
We get a helmet for Casey. We'll send her down flight. Stand on it.
I'm gonna ride it. I'm a fucking.
Why don't you give me a 4-wheeler now? You know that you're in around stuff. Hey, come on, bring it.
Get a helmet.
There's a helmet out the front.
Okay, Rob. Going around, comes out. Just fell off the short left. I remember he was getting ready for helmet coming.
I think Doug has a little green one.
Look in that pocket of the, or no, it's in my cigarettes, it's in the pocket of the cooler.
What? Right.
Yeah, can you guess how many times I got the short bus text message? 75.
No, it's already open.
No, but we're supposed to.
Well, we'll Rack it up.
What is he doing?
He's trying to ride that floor mat down.
I tried to do a surf again. I just lost it.
He's gonna bust his ass.
Well, he's trying to go down backwards on the mat. He's trying to outdo you. Anything you can do, I can do better.
I feel better with my action.
My feet. Why is it every time you get hurt, they do your fucking head?
Apparently they don't. Somebody up there thinks that's when I was out there.
My beer over there somewhere, it's just making me tired.
Are you taking pictures or video?
Video.
It's not happening.
Somebody up there, I can hurt.
Did you both?
Yeah.
You just slapped me in my head.
Who's that? Somebody in your head? Things in your head?
I need something in my head to say.
In my head.
I got spiked in the head.
In my head. Good beat.